Can you believe it? Those simple plates of boiled vegetables that every household eats, seemingly the most basic and harmless dishes, can actually make your joints ache more, irritate your colon, and drain your energy faster than you think if you use them the wrong way. What seems like a small daily habit at the dining table, repeated over and over again, can quietly push your joints toward early degeneration, make every step feel heavier, and leave you waking up with a stiff, locked-up body as if you were trapped inside yourself. In today's video, I'll walk with you through the 5 best boiled vegetables for joint health, why they help reduce inflammation, slow aging, support the colon, and strengthen the body from the inside out. I'll also explain the right timing to eat them, who should limit them, and the proper boiling methods to keep all the nutrients intact, little details that can double the benefits, or completely take them away. If you've always believed that every boiled vegetable is good, then by the end of this video, you might see things in a very different light. And if you find this content helpful, I warmly invite you to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones, so everyone can protect their joints, care for their colon, and stay healthy every single day. Now, let's begin. After we understand why small food choices can have such a big impact on our joints and colon, I'd like to share with you the 5 familiar boiled vegetables that can nourish your joints, calm your digestive system, and help your body stay resilient through the years. When we choose the right ones and use them consistently, the changes come gently, but they are very real. The first vegetable I want to share with you is mustard greens. It sounds familiar, but its value goes far beyond our everyday meals. Mustard greens contain a group of nutrients that modern science pays close attention to: vitamin K1 and glucosinolates. Vitamin K1 doesn't just support blood clotting as many people think. It is actually the core ingredient needed to form a protein called osteocalcin, a protein that helps calcium bind tightly to bone tissue, strengthening cartilage and keeping our knees and hips steady. Meanwhile, the glucosinolates in mustard greens convert into powerful anti-inflammatory compounds once inside the body. They help soothe low-grade inflammation in both the joints and the colon. This is why many older adults say that after regularly eating mustard greens, they wake up with less stiffness and feel more comfortable in their stomach. Mustard greens are also light, easy to digest, and suitable for seniors or anyone with a sensitive digestive system. But the key is not eating a lot, it's eating them correctly. When boiling mustard greens, simply blanch them for 2 to 3 minutes, just enough for the stems to soften while staying bright green. If you boil them too long, vitamin K and antioxidants break down. If you boil them too quickly, the stems won't soften and your body won't absorb the nutrients well. If you keep the habit of adding even a small plate of boiled mustard greens to your daily meal, your cartilage will be nourished more consistently, your colon will carry less burden, and you'll feel a steady, natural improvement throughout your body. The second vegetable I want you to pay special attention to is broccoli. This is one of the vegetables scientists jokingly call the guardian of cartilage, because broccoli contains a highly valuable compound called sulforaphane. When we bring broccoli into the body, sulforaphane activates protective enzymes inside our cells, slows down the process of cartilage breakdown, and eases the inflammatory reactions that make our joints ache, swell, or feel stiff in the morning. What's interesting is that this compound doesn't just support joint health, it also helps address a quiet concern many older adults have: a weak colon and years of toxin buildup. Sulforaphane boosts the liver's and colon's natural detoxification processes, helping the digestive tract feel lighter, calmer, and less fatigued after meals. For anyone who often feels bloated, gassy, or uncomfortably full after eating, broccoli is an ideal choice. On top of that, broccoli provides more vitamin C than oranges, which the body needs to produce collagen, the key component that maintains the elasticity of cartilage and the connective tissues around our joints. That's why seniors who eat broccoli regularly often say their joints feel smoother and less creaky when climbing stairs. However, for broccoli to deliver its full benefits, it's important not to overcook it. Sulforaphane is extremely heat sensitive, so you should only cook broccoli until just tender, about 3 to 4 minutes, when the stems are still slightly crisp and the color remains bright. If it's boiled too long or stewed in soup for extended periods, half of the nutrients can disappear, and the natural sweetness fades. If you have a sensitive stomach or tend to get bloated, it's best to eat a moderate amount rather than a large portion at once. But if you consistently add broccoli to your meals just 2 or 3 times a week, your joints will feel lighter, your colon more comfortable, and your whole body less weighed down. The third vegetable I want you to pay attention to is Malabar spinach, a leafy green that seems very ordinary at first glance but is actually a powerful supporter of both colon health and joint comfort. Many people only know Malabar spinach as a cooling, easy-to-eat vegetable, but its most valuable feature lies in the natural, slippery gel coating each leaf. This gel contains soluble polysaccharides that act like a soft, soothing lubricant for the colon lining, reducing friction and calming persistent low-grade inflammation. Thanks to this mechanism, older adults who struggle with constipation, internal heat, difficult bowel movements, bloating, or abdominal heaviness often feel noticeably better after just a few days of eating lightly boiled Malabar spinach. The colon relaxes, the digestive tract moves more smoothly, and the entire abdomen feels less heavy, no longer like carrying a load of soil inside. Beyond its benefits for digestion, Malabar spinach also provides potassium, natural calcium, and vitamin A, nutrients essential for joint function and connective tissue strength. When the body has enough potassium, the muscles relax more effectively, and the joints feel less painful when standing up or sitting down. Vitamin A from Malabar spinach helps regenerate the soft tissues around the joints, making the knees and lower back feel easier and more flexible during movement. What I appreciate most about Malabar spinach is how gentle it is. It's suitable for older adults, women over 50, and anyone with a weakened digestive system. Preparation is simple. Just boil it quickly for 1 to 2 minutes until the leaves soften. But avoid cooking it too long so you don't lose the precious gel. If making soup, add the leaves at the end and turn off the heat right away. However, if you're experiencing diarrhea, loose stools, or colon irritation, it's best to reduce Malabar spinach for a while because the natural gel can stimulate bowel movements more strongly. For everyone else, enjoying this vegetable 2 to 3 times a week will help keep the stomach light, the joints flexible, and the whole body feeling cooler and more balanced. The fourth vegetable I want to share with you is amaranth, a green that many people consider ordinary, even though its nutritional value ranks among the highest of all leafy vegetables. What makes amaranth truly special is its abundant magnesium content. Magnesium is a mineral involved in more than 300 reactions in the body, and one of its most important roles is maintaining the flexibility of our muscles, bones, and joints. Many older adults experience back pain, shoulder tension, nighttime muscle cramps, or joints that crack and creak when walking upstairs. These issues are not only the result of aging, they often come from long-term magnesium deficiency. When we replenish magnesium through amaranth, the muscles relax, the connective tissues soften, and the knees begin to move more naturally without stiffness or pain when changing positions. Another major advantage of amaranth is its strong alkalizing property, which helps neutralize excess acidity in the body. Anyone who eats a lot of red meat, fried foods, or lives under prolonged stress often develops an acidic internal environment that makes the body heavy, joints more inflamed, and degeneration faster. A simple plate of lightly boiled amaranth can help restore balance, cool the system, and ease the pressure on the joints. Another interesting point is that amaranth contains manganese and the antioxidant beta-cyanine. These two compounds help protect cartilage cells and slow age-related joint deterioration. This is why older adults who eat amaranth regularly often notice less knee soreness and reduced lower back fatigue when standing for long periods. Boiling amaranth is simple. Cook it for just 2 to 3 minutes. Not longer, because the natural red pigments can lose their nutrients if boiled too long. The cooking water should also be kept, as it contains a high amount of minerals that support digestion. There is, however, one small note of caution. Individuals with kidney stones or a high risk of oxalate stones should consume amaranth in moderation, as it contains a relatively high amount of oxalates. For everyone else, eating it 2 to 3 times a week is excellent for both joint health and colon function. The final vegetable I want to share with you is katuk, also known as sweetleaf, a simple plant that quietly offers profound support for the joints and colon, especially in older adults. Katuk contains a rare combination of natural calcium, plant-based protein, and a group of plant compounds called phytochemicals. These nutrients help repair connective tissues, support smooth joint movement, and reduce the soreness that often appears when standing up and sitting down repeatedly. What I appreciate most about katuk is its deep cooling effect. It gently penetrates the liver and colon, calming the low-grade inflammation that many older adults endure without realizing it. When the colon settles and relaxes, the body absorbs nutrients more efficiently, and the joints receive steady nourishment. Many people who eat boiled katuk regularly say their stomach feels lighter, their sleep improves, and their knees no longer feel heavy in the morning. Katuk also offers another important but lesser-known benefit. It improves the elasticity of cartilage. When cartilage stays soft and resilient, the bones don't grind against each other, leading to less pain, fewer cracking sounds, and noticeably slower joint degeneration. For those who often climb stairs, work physically, or are over 50, adding katuk to the table just 2 or 3 times a week can help keep the joints much lighter and more durable. As for preparation, simply boil the leaves for 1 to 2 minutes, just enough to cook them through while keeping their deep green color. If you make soup, add the leaves at the end and turn off the heat immediately to preserve their nutrients. Overcooking katuk can make it slightly bitter and reduce its mineral content. There is one gentle reminder: anyone with low blood pressure, frequent lightheadedness, or chronically cold hands and feet should eat katuk in moderate amounts because its strong cooling nature can lower body temperature more quickly. For everyone else, katuk is a clean, easy-to-digest vegetable that deeply supports joint health, colon strength, and restful sleep. When we add katuk to our meals regularly and rotate it with mustard greens, broccoli, Malabar spinach, and amaranth, the body receives a pure, natural source of nourishment, helping the joints stay flexible, the colon stay strong, and the whole body maintain steady vitality well into old age. When you consistently use these 5 vegetables for 2 to 4 weeks, your body will begin sending you very clear signals. The first thing you'll notice is that your joints feel softer, and the morning stiffness, especially around the knees and lower back, starts to fade. Nutrients like vitamin K, magnesium, sulforaphane, and the natural soothing gel from Malabar spinach gently nourish the cartilage, ease friction, and help you stand up, sit down, and walk with more lightness and comfort. The second change is a lighter stomach and a calmer colon. Bloating, indigestion, and heaviness after meals decrease significantly. When the colon is no longer inflamed beneath the surface, the body absorbs nutrients better, making you feel stronger, hungrier in a healthy way, and less fatigued after eating. Older adults who previously struggled with hard stools, sluggish bowel movements, or colon spasms often notice slow but steady improvement. After about 3 to 4 weeks, many people feel less pain and tension throughout the body, especially in the lower back, shoulders, neck, and calves. Amaranth provides magnesium to relax tight muscles, while broccoli and mustard greens reduce inflammation, making your movements less heavy and easing the deep soreness that appears when changing positions. Nighttime leg cramps also decrease considerably. Another noticeable improvement comes from better detoxification. As the liver and colon begin working more smoothly, your sleep becomes deeper, your mind clearer in the morning, and your mood lighter. Some people even observe brighter skin, less dullness, and improved hydration thanks to the antioxidants and alkalizing minerals that help rebalance the body from within. But the most important shift is the new energy you'll feel: gentle, steady, and clean. Older adults don't need brute strength, they need stability, firm steps, pain-free joints, a calm stomach, and restful sleep. And just a few weeks of consistently adding these boiled vegetables can bring you exactly that kind of stability. Dear friends, true health doesn't come from expensive treatments or complicated routines, it comes from the small, consistent choices we make every day at the dining table. When we're willing to adjust just a little and add these simple boiled vegetables to our meals, the body heals in a natural, gentle, and deeply sustainable way. Your joints will creak less, hurt less, your colon will stay calmer and your stomach lighter, and most importantly, you'll feel steady in every step, every night of sleep, and every breath you take. I truly believe that aging is not the reason our health declines. The real reason is that we simply haven't learned how to care for the body in the right direction. When we choose the right foods, at the right time, in the right way, even the most humble vegetables, Malabar spinach, amaranth, mustard greens, broccoli, or katuk, can become natural medicine that helps you live healthy, live lightly, and live joyfully well into your later years. If you found this sharing helpful, I warmly invite you to like and subscribe, so I can continue bringing you more knowledge that supports your colon, your joints, and your overall well-being each day. Thank you so much for spending your time here. I wish you strength, peace, and a clear, gentle mind in everything you do. With that, I'll pause here, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.